Yo, yo, yo. Here we go. Example number 3, we're going to be solving logarithmic equations. And so, like we learned from example number 1, we can see here now that the way that we're going to solve this log base 3 of x equals -3, what is this value of x, is we're going to be able to do this quite easily by converting from log form to exponential form. And so if I convert this from log form to exponential form, I'm going to simply get, again, I take my base 3 to the power of what it's equal to, -3, and that's equal to what we're taking the log of x. So x is 3 to the power of -1/3. Or if you want to simplify that further, that's 1 over 3 to the power 3. And of course, if you want to simplify that even further again, it'd be 1 over 27, right? 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is going to be 27. So 1 over 27. And you can check that also on a calculator if you want to just evaluate log base 3 of 1 over 27, you would get -3. Same thing over here. So I'm going to take my base. So I'm going to do 1/3 to the power of 2, and that's going to be equal to 2x plus 5. And then from there we can go ahead and square this, so we'll get 1/9 is equal to 2x plus 5. We can go ahead and subtract 5 now from both sides. So subtract 5. Scroll down a little bit here. So here we get 2x. If you want to do 1/9 minus 5, so minus 5 here, we're going to have to get our common denominator of 9. So it's going to be 1 minus 45 like over 9 is equal to 2x. I'll just kind of swoop over here now. So I get this -44 over 9 equals 2x. And then I can go ahead and just multiply now by 1/2 just to show what I'm going to do now on the left side over here. And so those would cancel out. Now what's cool about doing this here is that 2 goes into 44, 22, right? So that means it's going to be -22 on top over 9 is equal then to x. All right. All right, let's go and check out example C now. So converting this into exponential form, do x to the power of 4 equals 5. And now if you ever want to get rid of a power, we want to take the root of that. So that means I'm going to take the 4th root of both sides, right? Because the 4th root, taking the 4th root of the power of 4 will just, those are opposite operations there. So x is going to be equal to the 4th root of 5. Or if you want to say that that's 5 to the power of 1/4, same thing. And then again right here we're going to convert this into log form, into exponential form. So this would be 36 to the power of x equals the 4th root of 6. Well, we know that we can convert 36 as 6 squared, and then don't forget about my x. And I'm doing that because I know that this right here is 6 to the power of 1 over 4. Right, and so now that since we have the same base, we know that that means that our exponents are equivalent. So it's going to be 2x is equal to 1/4, and then I'm going to multiply by 1/2 on both sides, which will then give me x equals 1/8. And that will do it.